Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to count the checkboxes in a Google Sheets column or spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to count how many checkboxes are checked or unchecked in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, here's how to do it. So we have this project management sheet and this project management table where we manage our tasks. And let's say we want to count how many tasks are done from our project management list. So what we can do is count the number of true values, because as you can see, if I check a checkbox, the value of that cell will be true. If I uncheck it, it will be false. So what we have to do is count the number of true values in this range. So we can do that very easily using the COUNTIF function. So add equal sign, then add the COUNTIF formula or function, then add our range. So let's say this is our range, and what is our criterion. So in this case, all we have to do is add true and close the parentheses. And as you can see, the number of checked checkboxes equals to 2, and this is right. So if we uncheck this one, as you can see, it will be only 1. If we check 2 more checkboxes, it will become 3. So now this is how to count the checkboxes in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.